Hey everyone, welcome to my video. This is a video about experiment on censoring or truncation. My name is NurulJannah binti Jamaluddin. My metric number is 255847. I studied in School of Quantitative Sciences, University Utara Malaysia, and this video was made on 1st of November 2020. The topic of the experiment is to see the daily hours spent by my mother using Facebook app in a week. Referring to the censoring or truncation test, so the event of interest is the daily hours spent using Facebook. The timeline is 7 days, which is started from 22 of October until 28 of October, and the subject in this study is my mother. I expect my mother will use 3 hours daily for a week using the Facebook application. As you can see, my mother spent an average of 3 hours and 6 minutes a day using the Facebook. So I expect her to use 3 hours for a day in a week. So the source of data is from the Facebook app itself. So you just go to Facebook and go to setting and privacy. Just click at your time on Facebook. By looking at the graph, on first day, you can see that she spent 3 hours and 6 minutes on Facebook app. On second day, she spent 2 hours and 39 minutes. On the third day, she spent 3 hours and 6 minutes on Facebook app. On the fourth day, she spent 3 hours and 52 minutes on Facebook app. Meanwhile, on the fifth day, she spent 2 hours and 28 minutes on the Facebook app. On the sixth day, she used an hour and 48 minutes on the Facebook app. And finally, the last day of the experiment, which is on 28th, my mother used 4 hours and 17 minutes on the Facebook app. It seems that on the last day, it is the highest hours that my mother used the Facebook app. So we can see from the graph that right censoring type 1 occurs on Thursday, which is day 1, Saturday, which is day 3, Sunday, which is day 4, and Wednesday, which is day 7, because it already occurred, or it already undergone the 3 hours of limit, the 3 hours of expectation of daily usage of Facebook app. Meanwhile, Friday, which is day 2, Monday, which is day 5, and Tuesday, which is day 6, that you can see on the graph that I marked with X, is right censoring type 2 because it is failed to undergo the 3 hours limit that I expect my mother used the Facebook app daily.